Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge and Binance. That is the biggest news we are expecting to hear, that Binance have listed Shibadoge. Now, according to Binance statements early this year, they said in 2023 they will be working, they will be partnering, they will be listing many coins this year, especially small cap coins. That is, if these coins meet up with their terms and conditions. Now, for me, I think it's an opportunity for most coins, most small cap coins, to gain a lot. Now, Shibadoge is one of the top coins we are expecting that Binance Coinbase will be listing this year, before the end of this year. Now, take a look at statistics. Now, Shibadoge have gained a lot of listening just few months ago, and not just that, we have top exchanges that have listed this coin already. When you mention BKX, of course, they are one of the most popular exchanges, though not popular like other top exchanges, but I believe Hotbit are there. Bank is one of the top crypto exchange. Uniswap, one of the top crypto exchange. They are all listening, they're all partnering, working, helping to push the price of Shibadoge, to keep Shibadoge on the track. Now, for Binance, Shibadoge have gained a lot this year, right? Over 28 to 29 million dollars have been added to Shibadoge's market cap. People really pumping money into Shibadoge, and this, a lot of people believe this coin is going to really increase. Nobody is selling. Only very few people are selling. Most people that bought Shibadoge are rather holding. Some people, even they decided to keep staking Shibadoge. According to statistics, Shibadoge staking recently have really increased. So people are staking Shibadoge coin. That shows you the level where people really believe on this coin, especially now that Bitmart, now that Bank have now fully come in to support Shibadoge. Now, Binance, for me, will be supporting Shibadoge. Binance will be listening. They added it on the watch list. So if Binance are to check some coins they need to list very soon, I think they need to consider Shibadoge, because Shibadoge is one of the top coins that are really pumping, really increasing in price, increasing in market cap. The market cap is the money that is really coming in. That is what is most important to most exchanges. When people keep buying a particular coin using their exchange, because they make more money when you buy, when you trade using their platform. Now, Shibadoge have attracted almost $30 million within the past 6 weeks, right? So that is a lot of money. So many exchanges are now listing this coin because they believe that people are taking opportunity. People believe this coin is going to be one of the top crypto coins, and that is why you can see that the market cap of Shibadoge still remain at where it is, even though some coins are still losing in terms of market cap. Shibadoge market cap keep on increasing gradually. Binance, I believe, will be supporting Shibadoge. They have been supporting Terra Luna Classic token massively. Terra Luna Classic have a market cap of about $1 billion. Okay, now I remember when Terra Luna Classic market cap was just $200 million. And Binance were fully in supporting this coin, and today Terra Luna Classic market cap is now trading at over $1 billion market cap, with Binance controlling over 40 to 47% of Terra Luna Classic daily volume. Now, supporting some coins will definitely help Binance to gain more. And recently, I believe if Binance can really list Shibadoge, Binance are really going to gain a lot. Shibadoge is really going to pump. Shibadoge might be pumping between 1,000 to 5,000% increase in price, and from there you'll be seeing Shibadoge hitting 10,000 or 20,000% increase in price. So I believe that the developers of Shibadoge will keep working hard. They will do everything possible to meet up with the terms and conditions of Binance. If they can meet up with that of Bitmart, with that of Bank, with that of other crypto exchanges, I believe if they see the opportunity to meet up with the terms and conditions of Binance, they will do so. They will certainly do so in order to get this coin, this Shibadoge coin, to be listed on Binance. Let's keep moving that to see that one day, very soon, Shibadoge, our Shibadoge, will be listed on Binance. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.